idea.t.id. That's simple. Add a comma here. So it's gonna appear there. But nothing, we have to submit this one, right? So we add a input type equals submit. Value equals vote. Correct? So let's test it. Oh, there's a vote button now. We click it. Oh, there's no handler yet. So we add a handler. How do we add a handler? Yes, we copy a previous handler. We add a comma at the end. We enter. Play. Let me just bring it up so you can see it. Slash vote. And then we'll call this a vote handler. And then we add this one. Just copy it again, so that we don't have to type it. Class vote handler. Do you follow? Yes. You guys are good. So what we do is this. Very simple. Idea ID equals self that request that get idea ID. And then we say idea equals idea.get by ID. That's the method that you get using the ID. But it only can accept integers. If it's an auto-generated ID, we accept it only accepts integers. In this case, it's auto-generated because we did not set the key. So idea_ID. You convert it to an int. So okay. Now, if idea, you're checking if there's actually an idea that was retrieved. We want to idea.votes plus equals 1. Add 1 vote, right?